Model, 2020 Ford Transit 350-litre 2.0 Ecoblue engine knocking needs repairing no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 135,896. MOT, the 9th of September 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Ecoblue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking, the engine will need repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, sat-nav, reversing camera, start-stop, aircon. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Contact us, 015643334